Namaste, welcome to homehashtaglife. I had so many ideas swirling in my mind for the second video of 2025. After much thought, I decided to start with a topic that overwhelms our lives. Yes, cleaning. Let's find some answers. Why we keep delaying cleaning? Common reasons could be busy schedule, health issues, or sheer exertion. What are the solutions then? Get help or DIY. Do it yourself. The past 2 years have been tough. With my arthritic fingers, making even simple cleaning tasks overwhelmed me, pushing me to find better ways to cope. I have realized that we all struggle with cleaning. So I decided to share my comfortable cleaning plans that I'm going to follow in 2025 in this video. I hope these tips inspire you to create your own comfortable cleaning routine. So, let's get started. Cleaning really a never-ending task, no doubt about it. But the truth is, it doesn't always take as much time as we think. A lot of it is just in our heads. There is always something waiting to be scrubbed or wiped, that's true. But the key is to simply grab your cleaning cloth and get started. If shoving everything inside cabinets works for you, then that's great. But I'm someone who loves having a visual connection to my space. My biggest struggle? Keeping my open shelf decor clean. I love displaying decor because it genuinely makes me happy. Over time, I have learned to adapt by embracing a more minimal approach. Well, now, minimal looks different for everyone. For me, it means having just enough decor that I can manage and enjoy without feeling burdened by constant upkeep. As a part of my comfortable cleaning plan, I have decided to wipe surfaces daily, something I used to do only once or twice a week. With the ongoing construction around my home, I know this change is necessary, so I am adapting accordingly. When you hear someone saying, delegate work when you can, what comes to your mind? Well, my experience says it's not as simple as it sounds in real life. For example, you might ask your child to dust their room, or you assign something to your house help, or you wish to hire a professional cleaning service only to realize either you are carrying the mental load of managing their work or you have a guilt of wasting money by hiring services. Sometimes it feels like delegating tasks take more effort than the help it provides. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments. But here is what I have learned. Comfortable cleaning isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about sharing the load in a way that works for everyone. I have written the tasks assigned to my daughter on a sticky note on the fridge. and when she asks for TV time or screen time, I simply check if her tasks are done, then only she will be getting the screen time. Same way, I have written some tasks assigned to my house help and I check the list from time to time. This way, I don't have to bear the mental load every day. All I need to do is check the list. Whether I like it or not, I have realized that using covers on certain areas of my home significantly reduces my cleaning time. I cover the top of my fridge, the oven cabinet, microwave, OTG, countertop appliances, baskets on high shelves, the printer, dishwasher. While it might not always enhance the aesthetics of my home, it saves me from the constant effort of dusting. These covers act as a protective barrier, catching all the dust and grime that would otherwise need frequent wiping. My approach is simple. I toss these covers into the washing machine once a month, quick, efficient and hassle-free. If you are planning your own comfortable cleaning plans, think about these small adjustments. Zone cleaning routine, not only this year but it has always been my one of the most comfortable cleaning plans. So here is how it works, the zone cleaning routine. We need to divide our homes into specific zones like kitchen, bathroom, living room, bedroom. For homemakers, it can be Monday kitchen, Tuesday living room. You know the drill. You can watch this video for a better explanation. But for working women, it might not seem very practical, the daily zone cleaning routine. So I recommend the weekly or monthly zone cleaning routine, or if possible, hire a help. Keep a checklist where you write down every single task you need to do for that particular zone or room. This system has not only made cleaning manageable but also given me peace of mind. I have shared this cleaning tip before in one of our videos, but let me be honest, over the last 2 years, I have kind of compelled to forget it. Cleaning it when you see it sounds easy, but in reality, it can be challenging when you are juggling work, home, and everything in between. For example, these open shelves and jars need cleaning every week or else they collect grease. So even though my schedule is packed, I'm committed to being more mindful of those clean it when you see it moments this year. I encourage you to give it a try too. Having an organized cleaning space makes maintaining a comfortable cleaning routine so much easier, and you all know that by now. This is my main cleaning storage cabinet. Storages are labeled, have a basket to keep the necessary cleaner handy, have a basket for extra cleaning supplies. Not overly organized, just what I needed to make my cleaning task comfortable. Wasting time searching for supplies can add unnecessary stress, so I have made it priority to keep things streamlined. Well, let me tell you, one of the biggest challenges I have faced is deciding whether to store cleaning supplies in a single tucked away spot for aesthetics or to keep them in the area where they are most often used. While the first option keeps things visually appealing, I have realized that comfort and accessibility matter more, especially when tackling monotonous tasks like cleaning. Over time, I have embraced the second approach. For example, I used to store my vacuum cleaner in the farthest corner of our home, and it made cleaning feel like such a hassle. So I shifted its charging station to the kitchen, squeezed some space to accommodate it. Now it's always within reach, making quick cleanup so much easier. Cleaning is an inevitable part of life, no matter how tired we feel juggling our responsibilities. The secret lies in creating a plan that feels manageable and brings comfort, both physically and mentally. Let our cleaning routine support us, not drain us. I hope this video inspires you to make small, meaningful changes in your home for a more comfortable cleaning experience. If you found value in this video, then don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.